In this video, I am going to show how to install VLC Media Player on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So let's get started. At first, open a new terminal and write this command here to update your system with sudo privilege sudo apt update, then hit enter. Now enter the password for this user, then hit enter. It may take a while for updating the system. After updating the system, write this command to install VLC Media Player with sudo privilege sudo apt install VLC, then hit enter. Now type Y and hit enter to continue installation. It may take a while for installing VLC Media Player on Ubuntu or Linux. Now open Application Launcher and search for VLC. That's it. VLC Media Player installed successfully. Open VLC Media Player and enjoy. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.